blistering cold. It's wet stuff. And you know what I have to do right now? I have to get trash out the back of the car. I live in the right neighborhood. I'll let you know it. Check this out. This is my humble abode. Ain't much to look at, but I'm satisfied. Aren't you? Let's go check out what this rain is doing to my yard. This is my father. We had to get stuff out of the front yard because the debris was flying around.
What the heck you doing?
He's secretly happy. He just doesn't know how to show his emotion. Let's go check out the backyard. Look at this. This was once a nice little vegetable patch we had grown here. Black people don't grow vegetables. This was natural shit. But it was nice to look at, though. We pretend as if it was ours. My dad would put a fence around it and be like, yep, this is my garden. I grew this myself. Look at that. Some nasty shit. Some berries. Now dead and scattered, splattered. Okay, that right here was once a trampoline. Yep, it was in the middle of this right here. It was right there. Now it's here. Bricks and shit messed up. Debris. You know. The whole deal. This is me from Brothers with Reasons. Shit's going down. But don't worry. I'ma live. Because I'm a nigga.